Loom versus Descript. Which one is the better all-in-one tool? Well, you may think at first glance that they're not comparable and they're very different. However, they have many of the same features. Today we're going to explore them. So let's do it. Okay, so let's jump into Loom right now. Loom allows you to record your screen and camera with one simple click, making it perfect for tutorials, feedback, and instant communication. You can share recordings instantly via a link, or you can embed it, streamlining collaboration and your feedback process. It also offers transcriptions and captions. So auto-generated transcriptions facilitate easy search and accessibility options for viewers. Loom also records high quality video, ensuring that your content looks professional literally on any device. There are no limits on storage or recording time, making it ideal for teams and individuals with extensive video content needs. One or two of their drawbacks is, unlike some of their competitors, Loom doesn't actually offer advanced video editing features, requiring you to rely on external software for more complex edits. Also, it's a little bit more expensive for larger teams, so if you're on a budget and you're in a team, maybe it's not the right choice. Alright, so we're jumping into Descript now. And with Descript, you can actually edit videos by editing the transcript, making it easier for anybody that's unfamiliar with traditional video editing. Descript also automatically transcribes audio and video, allowing easy search editing and subtitle generation. The overdub feature lets you create AI-generated voiceovers based on your voice, saving time for narration. You can also have collaborative workflows, which basically means that team members can collaborate in real time. One or two of their drawbacks, however, unfortunately, is that there are no advanced visual effects. So it lacks the advanced video effects and the animations that some of their competitors may offer. It does kind of limit the creativity possibilities for video projects if you are like more of a hardcore hands-on video editor. Also, it is subscription based, so you can jump in with a monthly or a yearly subscription. It may cost more over time compared to, some other software that is either free or that has a one-time cost. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, both of the software that we just reviewed now are amazing. They both have fantastic features. They both appeal to different groups of people. And the takeaway here really is to figure out which group you fit into and which software you would be using. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.